How to make your Facebook account private. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make your Facebook account private, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to make your Facebook account private, it is very simple to do so. First of all, simply open up Facebook application over here and then just make sure that you're logged into the account. Once you're signed into the account, just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option, just tap the gear icon over here. Currently, Facebook has released actually a new feature called profile locking that will allow you to lock your profile and then make it completely private. And to do this, once you're on the settings and privacy page, just scroll and then look for this audience and visibility and then look for profile locking and then tap on it. Once you tap on profile locking option, you're going to be taken to this page, and after you're on this page, you can just tap the see your profile option over here and then just go ahead and make sure to lock your profile. Once you lock your profile, you can see if I just come to my profile page, this is actually how it is going to look like. People will not be able to see my photos, friends and anything else until they add me as a friend. And this way you can go ahead and then make your Facebook account private. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.